If your system has the dreaded dirty sock syndrome, or it just smells funky when you run your air conditioner, it's probably got some mold or mildew growing on that coil. The way to solve that is to install a UV light that shines on the coil and doesn't allow mold and bacteria to grow. You see, mold and that kind of bacteria need three things. They need darkness, warmth, and moisture in order to grow. If you deprive it of any of those three things, it can't grow. So our trick, because we can't control the moisture and we can't control the temperature when the system's not running, is we install a UV light. And that UV light shines in the evaporator coil or on the coil surface and prevents any of that smell from coming through. It's like letting your laundry dry in the sun versus letting it sit in a wet washing machine. One's gonna make it stink and the other one's gonna make it nice and fresh.